Right now, an estimated 3 to 4 million Bitcoin, worth hundreds of billions of dollars, is permanently lost, gone forever, not stolen, not spent, just unreachable, because the people who owned it never had a plan for what happens when they're gone. If you own any crypto, even $500 worth, and you don't have this plan in place, your family could lose every single coin. Let me show you exactly what happens and how to fix it today. Unlike a bank account, crypto doesn't have a customer service line. There's no bank to call, no government that can unlock your wallet. If your crypto is in a self-custody wallet, like a Ledger or Trezor hardware wallet, and your family doesn't have your seed phrase, that crypto is mathematically impossible to recover. Not difficult, impossible. And if it's on an exchange like Coinbase or Kraken, it's a little better. But most families don't know the account exists, the email, the password, or the two-factor authentication code. The crypto just sits there until the exchange eventually writes it off. Here's something most crypto holders don't realize. In 2026, most US states now recognize digital assets as part of your estate under the revised Uniform Fiduciary Access to Digital Assets Act, called RUFADAA. That means your executor legally has the right to access and manage your crypto, but, and this is huge, legally having the right and technically being able to are two completely different things. Your executor can't access a hardware wallet without the seed phrase. Period. The law gives them the right. The math says no. So the legal framework is there, but the practical solution has to come from you. Here's the three-part plan every crypto holder in America needs to have. Part 1. Document everything. Write down every exchange account you have. Coinbase, Kraken, Binance US, whatever. Write down every wallet type and how to find it. Don't write your passwords yet. We'll get to that. Just a list. Part 2. Secure your seed phrases. Your seed phrase, those 12 or 24 words, is the master key to your entire self-custody wallet. Write it on paper. Store that paper in a fireproof safe or a bank safe deposit box. Never in the cloud. Never in a photo on your phone. Part 3. Leave instructions. Create a simple document, not in your will because wills become public, but in a sealed letter with your estate attorney. Tell your family what exists, where to find the keys, and who to call for help. Now here's where 2026 gets interesting. There are now purpose-built tools to solve exactly this problem. First, multi-sig wallets, like Unchained Capital, let you set up a wallet that requires 2 out of 3 keys to access. You hold 2, your attorney holds 1. If you're gone, the family gets access safely. Second, crypto inheritance services like Casa and Trust Vault handle the whole process for a small annual fee. They act as the technical bridge for your family. Third, some hardware wallets now support a dead man's switch feature. If you don't check in after a set period, it automatically routes the assets to a designated wallet. These tools exist. Most people just don't know about them. Here's what to do in the next 10 minutes. Open a Notes app right now. Not on your phone's default notes. Use something encrypted like Standard Notes or Bitwarden. Create a document titled Crypto Access Plan. List every exchange account and every wallet you own. Then this weekend, write your seed phrases on paper and put them somewhere fireproof. And this month, talk to an estate attorney who understands digital assets. A single 1-hour consult could protect everything you've built. You spent time earning this crypto. Spend 10 minutes protecting it. The crypto world gives you total financial freedom, but that freedom comes with total responsibility. Nobody is going to protect your assets but you. If this opened your eyes, share this video with one person in your life who holds crypto. They need to see this. Hit subscribe for weekly crypto and finance videos that actually protect your money. And our next video, we're breaking down the top 5 crypto tax mistakes that are costing Americans thousands in 2026. You do not want to miss that one.